Hi guys! It's Friday evening, it's 4:30. In an hour we are going to be done with work. Meanwhile, Muzna and Mazhar are sitting and they are building Lukman's Lego. Lukman conveniently outsourced the job to them. He's chilling. He's chilling. It was his Lego. Instead of sitting and making it himself, he's given it to his mom and his nanny, and they are sitting and they are making it. See what they're doing. They're making the whole Lego set. Now, what's the plan after this? After this, we are going to the dentist. Lukman has to get his teeth checked, so we're going to the dentist.
My mama's teeth.
Even Mama's teeth. So both of them are getting their teeth checked. And after this, we are going for skating class. After today, we are stopping the skating class for a month because two reasons. One, Arabic classes are going on. Lukman is going to go every day to the Arabic classes so that he can learn quickly. And the second reason
Not every
is
day, every night.
every night. Okay, every night he'll go to the Arabic classes. And second reason is we are going for a trip. We're going for one more trip, inshallah. Where are we going?
Not now.
You forgot. For Mama's birthday, we are going for a trip. We are
I
going.
want to travel for the whole time.
It's going to be a long trip because we're going to do so many places. We are taking a train to Bangalore. From Bangalore, we're taking a flight to Dehradun. On the way, we are stopping over in Lucknow for a few hours. We're going to be in Lucknow, and then from there, we're going to Dehradun. From Dehradun, we have booked a car. We are going to Tehri, which is a small hill station, along with some friends. From Tehri, we are going to Mussoorie, and from Mussoorie, we are going back to Dehradun. From Dehradun, we are going to Delhi, and from Delhi, we are going to Bangalore, spend 2 days in Bangalore, and then back to Chennai. So it's going to be a long trip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So keep watching our videos. That's going to come in very soon. We will keep you updated. Meanwhile, let us continue with our day. What are you making, Ma?
A Lego toy with a Padupakkam.
Mama doesn't know what she's making. She's making this. What is that? It's a.
He's making. Mama, what are you making?
Oh, it's a truck. That's so cool. It's got wheels and all. It's cool. Today's meal is here. So this is ragi dosa with a mixed dal with all the pulses, different pulses, and some air fried chicken. So that's the meal for today. Very healthy food, following the diet pattern. So check out this truck which has just been made by Muzna. She did the whole truck by herself. With mother. Two of them sat. If one person had sat, it would have taken 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours. I think we finished it in half an hour.
So I think it took about 1 hour. The police truck with the jail in the back.
And so this one the police cycle and one kutti car.
So we are going to the dentist
We
now,
are actually walking back.
and we are walking it.
Yeah, and
This is
in
our
the middle of
street.
the road. Can we come
So-
to the side, please?
This is where we live. It's a nice street. It's a very spacious, very private street.
And
So
lot
it's
of nature
in the-
too.
What?
And also a lot of nature.
And lots of nature, like Lukman said. So the dentist is not yet here. As you can see, the gate is locked. We are waiting outside. What is the plan? Do we wait outside? Come, let's go for a walk. Come. This is the park we are going to. Park time 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is a Kutti park near our house. Nice park. It's so well done. So look at the beauty of this park, man. It's so green. It's become greener than before, Muzna.
Yeah, they put the grass and all.
Yeah, so it's become so green and nice.
What is that?
flying in the air. How is that happening?
You want the answer?
Where is it attached?
It's in the middle of the nowhere. It's like flying in the air.
No, but it's attached somewhere pretty much, right? Like,
Mama, I ran for 2 rounds with your phone in my pocket. I basically added 2,000 steps to your calorie step counter.
it's not such a big park. You probably have added like 200.
With the speed that I ran, it's like 2,000.
So we have the next office. Guys, full fight with them. Go on the cutout. Yeah.
Oh, so that means if you eat candy, you will get the candies, right? So still, then you were knowing that, but still you were having the candies. Yes?
So Muzna is back from the dentist clinic and see she's showing her lovely teeth. She's smiling.
I'm so happy to show my teeth. I just went to the dentist for 1.5 hours. I thought it would be like a quick 10 minutes check.
Yeah.
But she made me sit on that seat for 1.5 hours. My mouth was like open.
So Lukman's gone now and it's 11:30 in the night. It's our night. It's Friday night. So let's head out.
So, also a very important thing is that it is our 100th video.
100th video.
I can't believe I actually shot 100 videos already.
Yeah.
I think out of which maximum number of videos were in the last 1 month.
We put 30 videos. So that's been crazy, guys.
In 1 month, which is like we've tried to do that whole 1 month, like daily vlogs. We've been able to do it. So we are already on our 100th video. And for those of you who are watching and not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. That would just encourage us to make more videos. So to celebrate this 100th video, as we are doing this whole series of exploring places to go to in the night, one of our usual hangouts in the night is a place called Buhari on Mount Road. 2 of our friends are also joining us. Vignesh and Sanjana are also joining us.
We are with Sanjana and Vignesh. So Vignesh he's got a cool cup that he's going to experiment. You're gonna see this. Check this out. Put it. Sanjana's. I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. That's a line from Harry Potter. And what happens when we put it? Whoa. Wow. That's amazing. Pretty cool mug. Guys, we are now going towards Buhari. We have decided to go there and we will give you a lot of good information about Buhari once we get there. So we are outside Buhari now. This is our gang. We're going in. So that's the shot. Buhari. The iconic Buhari. Been there for so many years. Look at the beautiful lighting, lights, and the crowd. So now we are going towards the AC. AC is closed? Oh, there's no AC. You can sit here only. So we're going to order something healthy here. Healthy in Buhari. So that's like a oxymoron. but anyway, what we're doing is we're ordering wheat parota, which is supposed to be really good here, and there is egg masala, which is also very good.
I want bun pasta.
Bun butter jam. Bun butter jam with chutney.
Buhari is really famous for having invented chicken 65, and a lot of people think it's because it was the 65th thing in the menu or something like that. It was the year 1965, and I think they also have a chicken 90 which is boneless. And all my non-vegetarian friends, I've had colleagues who've come from outside and who specifically come here because this place has been in the news and it's been really famous for ages. I think it's been there for decades, and I think the mutton biryani and the chicken 65 are like the go-to dishes. So those are the specialties. But today we are excited to try out the wheat parota and dal makhni, which is like the healthy stuff.
So guys, this place has been open since 1951. These guys are originally from Ceylon. In Ceylon, they had set up this restaurant first. So eventually they moved to Chennai. It's still there. It's still there, and the thing is, it's been run by the government now. So they moved to Chennai and they set it up. 1951 it opened. It's been renovated over time, and it looks. This is how it looks right now. And a lot of famous people from the past have actually come here. People like MGR, Shivaji, Raj Kapoor, Sridevi have all come here. And the interesting thing is, both 65 and chicken 90 are dishes that they came up with. Very recently, they've come up with chicken 2010.
So are we having that today?
Unfortunately, I think at night we'll not get it. We'll have to come during the lunchtime. Meanwhile, Muzna's got her bun butter jam.
Yeah.
Try that out. Wow. So you can take it.
Okay. So this butter looks a lot like cream.
Like cheese.
Cream.
Cream. Have a bite. It's got a cake-like feel. It's got like so many layers.
Three raisins. See?
Raisins inside.
We've got the wheat parota, and this is the
Dal makhani,
dal makhani,
egg burji masala.
egg burji masala. Okay, that looks nice.
So this wheat parota is actually made without maida. I mean, there's no maida in it. It's completely wheat only, and it's made in the Kerala parota style. Like, and if you look at the dal makhani is actually having no cream at all. So it's, I mean, the healthiest that we can get at this point of time over here. And this is the egg burji.
So what are you trying first?
Trying the wheat parota and the dal makhani. Dal makhani is really nice.
What's nice about it?
It's very simple. I mean, definitely we said no to the cream, so a lot simpler and lot, but it's nice.
The wheat paratha is really soft.
Yeah. How's the egg burji?
Egg burji I find it really sweet. So this is on the sweeter end.
So guys, we are done with night dinner at Buhari, and Muzna had her bun butter jam,
And we had proper dinner.
and now we are heading to Pan. Yeah, so we're gonna have pan now. Pan Palace. They have fire pan, sweet pan, red rose special pan, Ratrani pan. Pan is being made here. This is, wow, looks so nice. Meeta pan. Amazing.
So which one do you want? The yellow or the red?
I'll go for the yellow. How do I take this? Okay.
Why is your mouth going sideways?
Go good. Good, very good. So that's the video, guys. It's very late in the night now, and we are dropping our friends off near their place. Say bye, and we are heading back. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching our channel. See you. Bye.